how to withdraw money from DraftKings. So I'm going to show you as well as a visual representation here. First, we will go over the steps. So we got to log into the DraftKings app, click on our profile photo in the top left corner or top right corner. Then we just got to select withdraw. On the withdraw funds page, we have to enter the amount which we want to withdraw. Click on continue, and then we will choose debit card as the payment method or online banking. Then we'll click on request withdrawal. And here's how we can do it. So first we click on our profile icon and we select withdraw, just like it's being shown right here, just as it's being shown. We select the currency, and here this is very important. We'll choose online banking. And if we have connected a debit card to our DraftKings account, we can click on yes, withdraw funds, and that's going to withdraw the money to our debit card. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.